The 2013 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with the powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. And it's priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, front air conditioning, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, multi-zone climate control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.